Aquatic weed. Aquatic weed may be defined as undesirable, unwanted, uncultivated, and unexpected aquatic plant which are grown in aquatic environment but not useful in aquafarm, makes difficulties and cause harm. Need for weed control. Harmful effect. Block movement. Thick floating weed stop the free movement of fish and boat. Block sunlight. When weed cover the water surface, sunlight cannot reach inside. This reduce photosynthesis and oxygen in the water. As a result, fish production become low. Algal bloom effect. When algae grow too much and die, they decay and use up oxygen. It kills fish. Fishing problem. Weed make it hard to use fishing net properly. Mosquito breeding. Weed covered pond become mosquito breeding ground, a health hazard. Predator hiding. Predator hide in thick weed and attack fish. Case culture problem. In case culture, weed clot the nets and release water flow. Nutrient competition. Weed take up nutrient that fish food organism need, reducing fish growth. Floating weed. True floating weed float freely on the surface is Hornia pistia azola, rooted with floating leaf. Root in the bottom but leaves float. Nymphea nufor nelumbo. Emergent weed. Rooted in soil but some part leaves should grow above water. Example: Trappa typha sagittaria. Submerged weed grow completely under water. Najas utricularia. Myriophyllum. Filamentous algae form mats or screen on the surface of water. Example: Spirogyra, Phytophthora, Eurothrix. Algal bloom. Tiny algae spread throughout the water. Myriocystis, Anabaena volpox. Spreading weed. Root on pond side, stem and leaves spread over the surface. Juicia repens, Epomia repens. Method of weed control. The method depends on type and amount of weed, farm size, cultured species, cost and available tool. There are three main methods: manual and mechanical method. Based for a small pond, use tools like hand scissors, SCYTSES, wire mesh to remove weed. For larger pond or lake, use weed cutter or machine. Weed must be cut close to the bottom and repeatedly to stop regrowth. Method include cutting weed underwater several times, racking or dragging chain along the bottom, using steel cables to pull out weed to the shore, using a weed saw moved back and forth by two people. These methods are hard work, costly, and often need to be combined with other method. Biological method. The best natural way to control weed use animal that eat aquatic plant. Example: grass carp eat large amount of weed, about 19 ton weed equal to 195 kg fish flesh. Tilapia mozambica eat algae and softweed. Common carp Cyprinus caprio approved weed while searching for food. Duck eat soft aquatic weed, help reduce their number. Other animals like nutria, muscat, manatee, snail, beetle, and geese also help in weed control. Chemical method not recommended in Bangladesh, can be harmful, used only after harvest or during pond renovation. Common chemical 2,4 D. 2,4-dinitrophenoxy acetate. Control floating and emergent weed. Copper sulfate. Control algae. Copper citrate. Control algae, but it's expensive. Anhydrous ammonia kills submerged weed. Sodium arsenide kills flowering aquatic plants. Problem: many herbicides are toxic to fish. Dead weed after chemical use may rot and reduce oxygen.